Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 5, Class B. We would like to present our project about filtration. For the first, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Masteryna Maghfirahdina, NPM 56.
My name is Muhammad Purnama Adji. My student number is 55.
My name is Bagus Tri Wibowo and my student number is 57.
My name is George Marchellino P and my study number is 58.
Okay, next. Filtration is a process of separating solids from fluids using a porous medium or other porous material to remove as much suspended solid as possible and colloids. On drinking water treatment, filtration is used to filter water from the coagulation process, flocculation, sedimentation, resulting in high quality drinking water. Filtration function are number one, the process of separating solid substance or substance smooth solid, suspended fine or colloids from fluids with using porous media. Number two, removal of solids contain bacteria, removes color, taste, smell, iron, and manganese. Principle of filtration. There are two, vertical flow filtration and horizontal flow filtration. Vertical flow filtration is carried out by dividing the waste into several filter beds, 2 or 3 units alternately. The distribution of waste alternately is carried out with valve arrangement, and for that it needs to be done by the operator. And horizontal flow filtration is carried out by passing the waste through the media filter horizontally. This method is simple and practically. And next, flow direction. There are two, upflow and downflow. Upflow is a liquid waste treatment system which is basically flowing liquid waste through a sand filter media with the direction of the flow from below and from below the sand medium to the top of the sand medium so that the filtering results are above the raw waste and the media due to the high turbidity of raw waste. For downflow is a filter system where waste water is distributed into a filtering device with the direction of the water flowing from top to bottom. The operation is easy to do. Factors affecting efficiency filtering. There are four. Number one is the quality of raw water. Number two is temperature. Number three is speed of filtering. And number four is grain diameter. There are two types of sand filtration. There are rapid sand filtration and slow sand filtration. And the next, my friend will present.
Okay, so the first time is rapid sand. Rapid sand filter or sand filter paste can be used to reduce suspended solids and turbidity level. This quick sand filter usually is a sand filter that requires constituent material in large quantities. This type of filter is equipped with a pipe and a faucet that is used for regulate the flow of water, good for water in input and water for output. Rapid sand filter is one type of unit filtration capable of producing water discharge, which is more than slow sand filter. The addition of activated carbon above the media on the filter aims to increase water reduction efficiency, turbidity, organic compounds, and taste. If turbidity is on the influence of rapid sand filter range from 5 to 10 NTU, so the efficiency of reducing the turbidity can be up to 90 to 98%. Next, please. And this is the design of rapid sand filtration. In the left part is the flocculation building, and the right part is the rapid sand filtration building. Next. So the operation of rapid sand filter is first, during the filtration process, the particle carried by the water will be filtered in the media filter. Second, the particles that are filtered on the media will eventually clog the pores of the media, resulting in clogging or blockage. To remove the clogging, we wash the media. Third, washing is done by providing backwash to the media with the aim to reduce the media and remove clogging dirt filter media process. Fourth, when the filter media is clean, the filter can be operated again. Second is slow sand filtration. Slow sand filter is a process slow filtration with sand or multimedia for water treatment process the surface but does not pass through the unit flocculation, and sedimentation. In the process, the sand filter workflow needs no addition chemical, but process will be more efficient if the flow velocity is constant and slow to support biological activity. In the process of slow sand filter, it works slow, no need to add chemical, but the process will be more efficient if the flow velocity is constant and slow to support biological activity. The process that occurs is a physical, biological, biochemical process with the assistance microorganism formed on filtration media. And this is the table degradation of microorganisms by slow sand filter. Design of slow sand filter. And this design, there is this building of slow sand filter and then the output. Operation of slow sand filter. Raw water entering a slow sand filter lies for several hours on average in the space above the medium, during which time there is some separation and settlement of the large particles. It then percolates through the sand bed, a process taking 2 hours or more. And as it does so, it is subject to a number of purification processes. Next will be George
Okay,
Marchellino
I
to
will
present.
explain about difference of criteria for rapid and slow sand filtration. As we can see, the criteria is velocity, size of bed, depth of bed, size of sand, media size distribution, under drain system, and filter run. As we can see, the rapid cell filtration has size of bed is smaller than slow sand filtration. Next. Uh, Next is the criteria is cleaning method, water for cleaning, preliminary processing, construction cost, operation cost, depreciation cost. As we can see, the rapid sand filtration has a relative high cost than slow sand filtration. Okay, the Advantage: slow filtration is simple, effective, low construction costs, design and warfare are simple, no chemical additive are required, variation in raw air quality are less destructive, and the rapid sand filtration is much higher flow rate than a slow sand filter. Okay, disadvantage: slow sand filtration is very sensitive to variation in the pH of raw water, and the rapid sand filtration requires greater maintenance than a slow sand filter. Next. Filtration operation and maintenance. Operation number 1. During the filtration process, waterborne particles will be filtered in filter media. Number 2. This particle will over time clogging the pores of the media causing clogging. Number 3. Clogging will increase head loss water flow in the media. Number 4. The increase in head loss can be seen from increasing the water level above the media or decreasing the filtration rate. Number 5. The filtration process must be stopped when A. When the suspended solid concentration start to increase. B. When the head loss happens to the media filter bed is over allowable limit. C. If there is blockage of pores media, then it must be done washing or backwash. Types of filtration operation can be classified by A. Semi-continuous filtration, at which stage filtering and washing operation take place alternately. B. Filtration continuous, during which the filtering and washing steps take place simultaneously. Next, study case.
I will present a study case. Next. Design of filtration unit for domestic wastewater treatment using flow system. Filter media will be used in the receipt, namely zeolite, sand, gravel, palm fiber, and charcoal. With using this media filter is expected can reduce the concentration on parameter BOD, COD, phosphate, TSS, and turbidity contained in the waste domestic. This research use unit downflow filtration system that is a system with flow direction from top to bottom. On generally, the system use up cost low and free maintenance can be done with easy. The aim of the study see design of the filtration model which will be applied in processing domestic waste as well as responsive the effectiveness of the variety of filter media arrangement in lowering BOD concentration, COT, phosphate, TSS, and turbidity. Next, this is a design unit from filtration media. Next, waste characteristic. The characteristic of waste that can be filtered and are in from household domestic waste in form of liquid with the following efficiency. The treatment in filter media sequence. Percobaan pertama is a sequence of filter media and the filtration of unit from top to bottom, namely palm fiber, charcoal, gravel, zeolite, and sand. Di percobaan kedua, namely palm fiber, sand, gravel, charcoal, and zeolite. Dan di percobaan ketiga, the sequence is palm fiber, gravel, charcoal, and zeolite. Next. This is operation process. The operation process use downflow system. Next. Disadvantage and advantage. A disadvantage, a disadvantage of filter media have to need a detailed processing of wastewater because only the filtration unit above cannot produce wastewater that is accordance with quality standard Republic of Indonesia Conformant Resolution number 82 of 2001. Maintenance of the filtration tower must be constantly constantly considered because its self-clogging caused by pollutant. Advantage: easy to manufacture, cheap, effective in reducing pollutant in wastewater. Next, operation and maintenance. For the maintenance of the filtration unit above, it is necessary to clean the filtration parallel and change the filtration unit materials such as silica sand, carsoal, and zeolite to keep the filtration unit working properly. Thank you. Any question?
Thank you for your attention. Uh, we apologize if there are something wrong where we present our project. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.